The STEM Jubilee event, it is a almost like science fair-like event where we are having college students here at Rose run activities that are from various fields of STEMs and running those activities for students. The whole gist is so that those K-8 students can kind of get a little bit of an intro to what all fields of STEM are like.
They might learn about really liking coding or programming, or they might really be passionate about like chemistry or physics. So they'll be able to learn about that through booths at a really young age, and I think that's really important and awesome.
This can be really the beginning of their STEM journey as they start to journey into middle school and high school and things of that nature.
I made a little lightsaber with a straw, electrical tape, a diode, and a little 3-volt battery.
We did a plant thing, so we took some dirt and then we squished it up into a ball, and then soon perennial flowers will grow.
We got to make a lava lamp and kind of do different colors with it and learn a lot about the science of it.
I put oil and water in here, and oil and water don't mix. And then I put an Alka-Seltzer tablet in here, and then it made all the water go up and down.
It just sounded really fun and interesting because I really like STEM.
I like all the activities. I think they're really cool to do.
I think it's cool to learn from Rose-Hulman students because they're smart, and then you get to learn something that you don't really learn at school.
Everything here is going to be useful for me.
It's been actually really fun. It's just amazing to be here and cool to be participating in this event.
I want to learn a lot more about STEM stuff.
Because I want to do lots of science, mathematics, engineering, technology around here. I'll have experience once I get into college.
Showing kids that, hey, STEM is really fun, kind of just almost inducting them into the fields of STEM at a really early age. I think it's super important to make sure that we have a lot of different kids coming into the STEM field, and that's how you get the next generation of STEM leaders. So that's why I'm doing it.